Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers. Good afternoon. How are you today? Pretty good. Dear viewers, today in the Intercom course, Intercom Book 1 or Level 1 course, we will begin Presentation 4 and Unit 3. And in this presentation, we are talking about asking for someone on the phone. Asking for someone, पूछना किसी के बारे में on the phone, telephone पर. When we want to ask about someone on the phone, so how can we will ask? So we will talk about that one. So the contraction form of doctor also they have given. What's the contraction form of doctor? DR is the contraction form of doctor. Doctor mean DR. So what does the man say? Who is calling? Good. Is Dr. Young there? So Howard? No, good. No, she isn't. She's at the hospital. You know, doctor is a common gender. We use it for male as well as for female. So no, she isn't. She's at the hospital. वो तो नहीं है अभी घर पर. वो अस्पताल में है. At the hospital. The use of at that we use at before workplace. So what does man say? Good. Okay, I'll call later. I will. The contraction form of I will also they have used. I will call later. So I'll call later. The contraction form of I will is IL. L. We will pronounce it just like single L. I'll call you. I'll go to Temargara tomorrow. Similarly, I'll play cricket. So I'll just like that we should pronounce it. So the person also say okay ठीक है, I'll call later. मैं बाद में call करूँगा. Later mean बाद में. Already we have discussed it in lesson 1 or lesson 2. Later बाद में. I'll call later. मैं बाद में call करूँगा. Now B number. What does a woman say? गुड. इज टेड यंग देयर? क्या टेड यंग वहाँ मौजूद हैं? सो हावर्ड? गुड. यस ही इज़. जस्ट अ मिनट. हाँ वो मौजूद है, थोड़ा इंतज़ार कर लें. वो मैं उनको ख़बर करके फिर आपको वो आकर आपसे बातें करेगा. सो व्हाट डज वुमन से? ओके. सो हावर्ड? टेड फोन. टेड आपका फ़ोन है. And the third one, dear viewers and listeners and brothers and sisters, is same there. क्या same मौजूद है? So what does Adela say? No, he isn't. He's at work. No, he isn't. He's at work. वो तो मौजूद नहीं है, घर काम को गया है. So what does Sakil answer? Thank you. Good. Thank you. I'll call later. So that is about the presentation. Now we will talk about them in detail. So when we want to call about the presence or absence of anybody on the phone, so student 1 will say what? Hello. Suppose I dialed your number and your phone is ringing. So you will say hello. Hello mean assalamu alaikum. We Muslim should say assalamu alaikum instead of hello. But hello is also a greeting. Already we have discussed it in unit 1 level 1. So hello, assalamu alaikum. So what does B say? Hello, this is Bilal. Is Kashif there? Hello mean walaikum assalam. This is Bilal. मैं बिलाल बोल रहा हूँ. This is Aisha. मैं आयशा बोल रही हो. जो भी हो. And is your mother there? Is Arshad there? Is Khalid there? जिसके बारे में, जिसकी मौजूदगी के बारे में भी आप पूछते हैं तो वही आप बोलेंगे. So अगर नहीं है तो कैसे जवाब देंगे? No, he isn't. Is not contraction form we have discussed already. No, he isn't. He's at school. He's at the market. He's at hospital. He's at the garage. He's at the office. He's at the madrasa. He's at the college. He's at university. Before workplace we should use the preposition at. Already we have discussed in the previous lesson. Yeah, so no, if someone is talking about a female, so no, she isn't. She is at madrasa. She is at the hospital. So what will the first person say? Okay, good. Okay, I'll call later. मैं बाद में कॉल करूँगा. I will contraction form is I'll call later. और अगर मौजूद है कोई तो इसके बाद hello, this is Khalid. Is your uncle dear? So what will be say? Yes, he is. Just a minute. Or yes, she is. If someone is asking about a female, just a minute. थोड़ा इंतज़ार करो, मैं उनको खबर करके वापस आपको मुतले करूँगा. So I'll play one role, you will play another role. Suppose you called me and my mobile phone or my at that time the home number or the office number is ringing. So I hold the receiver and I say hello. So what will you say? Hello. Good. Good. Is Aisha there? No, she isn't. She's at the hospital. I'll call later. Suppose अभी आप सलमान के बारे में पूछ रहे हो. So I say hello. This is Bilal. Is Salman there? Good. No, he isn't. He is at the mosque. I'll call later. परस करें आपका नाम बिलाल है और अभी आप खालिद के बारे में पूछ रहा है और आपका नाम बिलाल है, तो आप कैसे कहेंगे? हेलो. गुड. येस ही इज़. जस्ट अ मिनट, वो मौजूद है, मैं उनको ख़बर करता हूँ, आप ज़रा इंतज़ार कर लें. दिस इज़, वी विल प्रोनाउंस, वी विल से इन द ऑन द फोन, दिस इज़ खालिद. मैं खालिद बोल रहा हूँ. नाउ यू आस्क मी द फर्स्ट वन. Hello, this is Rahman. Is Arshad there? No, he isn't. Okay, I'll call later. Again, you begin. Hello, this is Rahman. Is Salma there? Yes, she is. Good. Just a minute. Yes, she is. Just a minute. And that is also an activity about the where is, and before the workplace we should use it. For example, where's Bilal? He's at the hospital. Where's Aisha? She's at the school. Good. Where's your father? He's at the market. Where's Saeed? He's at the garage. Where's Salma? She's at the office. Good. Where's Fatma? She's at madrasa. Where's your mother? She's at the college. She's at the college. And where's Anwar? He is at the university. Before workplace, we should use the preposition at, workplace. Right? I hope you will have learned how to call on a telephone, and you will also have learned the use of at. That we use it before what kind of places. I hope you will continuously watching the video and will improve your English, and will also share the videos with your friends near and dear one. Thank you so much for watching the video.